In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung Pencil to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting your Samsung Pencil to your phone is super simple. Of course, there are some limitations. You will only be able to use it on mostly Samsung devices. It is absolutely not going to work for iOS devices, so keep that in mind. So, for most modern Samsung Galaxy phones, there will be a built-in S Pen storage. So, if you look under the device, such as an S23 Ultra, for example, you will find the S Pen, and all that you have to do is take it out of the slot. Immediately upon doing this, it will automatically connect to your phone via Bluetooth. There might be a notification on your phone, and you can confirm it. You will be able to use the S Pen application to get this to work. Alternatively, you can also go over to the settings and choose the S Pen category. There will be a lot of options to set it up, and you can choose the connect or reset options. If this doesn't work, you can ensure that Bluetooth is enabled, check for updates, and restart your phone. By simply taking it out of the slot, you will be able to use it. Now, of course, like I mentioned, this is going to be for Samsung devices that have the S Pen included. However, you can also purchase it separately, so it will be sold as a separate gadget compatible with any Samsung device, and you will be able to connect it through the same exact method. So you place it near your device, and there will be an automatic pairing prompt that follows. If this doesn't happen, then you enable Bluetooth, and then you press a specific button on your Samsung Pen model. By pressing that button, it will now become a detectable device, and you will find it under the list of available devices on the Bluetooth settings. It's as simple as choosing it from the list, and now you can use it to write stuff around the screen, you can use it to draw, and it is going to be completely usable on any compatible Samsung device. Like I mentioned multiple times, this does not work for any iPhone or iPad model that you have. The S Pen is designed to only work for Samsung and Android devices. If this video helped you on how to connect Samsung Pencil to phone, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.